Dear students, in the last class, I have completed. Let us work out 6.2. Now, see that let us do ourselves 6.5. Here, the value of the variable x is given, x or y is given, and we have to find the values of the following algebraic expressions. See that 6x plus 11, x by 5 plus 2, x square plus 2x minus 1, x cube plus 8, all these are algebraic expressions. And we have to find the values of these expressions when the value of the variable is given. In this case, the value is given x equal to 5. In the next case, the value of the variable y is given, that is minus 3, and we have to find the values of the following algebraic expressions. In the problem 3, the value of the two variables x and y are given, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, and we have to find the values of these algebraic expressions. Now see that in 3 of 1, in the problem 3 of 1, when the value of the variable x equal to x is given 5, and we have to find the value of this expression x square plus 2x minus 1. Let us put x equal to 5 in the algebraic expression x square plus 2x minus 1. Then we will get 5 square plus 2 into 5 minus 1. We put x equal to 5 in this expression. Then get 5 square plus 2 into 5 minus 1. That is 25 plus 10 minus 1. 25 plus 10 is equal to 35 minus 1, that the value is 34. Therefore, the required value is 34. In the next case, that is the problem 1 of 2. Let us put y equal to minus 3 in the algebraic expression y plus 5 by 4. Then we will get minus 3 plus 5. Where the variable y we put minus 3. That is minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 by 4 equal to half. Therefore, the required value is half. In the problem 5, see that y cube minus 1 equal to minus 3 whole cube minus 1. We put minus 3 in, we put minus 3 for y. Then we get minus 27 minus 1 equal to minus 28. Minus 27. How is it possible? Minus 3 whole cube means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. When minus is multiplied odd number of times, then we will get minus. When it is multiplied even number of times, even number of times means 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, then we will get plus. When minus is multiplied odd number of times, that is 3 times, 5 times, 1 time, 7 times, then we will get minus. Here minus is multiplied 3 times, that is odd number of times, then we get minus. And 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 27, that is minus 3 whole cube is equal to minus 27, minus 1 equal to minus 28. Therefore, the required value is minus 28. In problem number 3, we put x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. In the algebraic expression x square plus 7xy plus y square. Then we will get 2 square. We put 2 for x and minus 1 for y. Then we will get 2 square plus 7 into 2 into minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square equal to 4. Plus into minus is equal to minus. 7 into 2 equal to 14 into 1 equal to 14 plus minus 1 whole square, that is in this case minus is multiplied 2 times, that is even number of times. Why? Minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1. that is minus is multiplied even number of times and we get plus, the sign plus, and 1 into 1 equal to 1 equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5 and 5 minus 14 equal to minus 9. Therefore, the required value is minus 9. Next, let us do ourselves 6.6. Let us do ourselves 6.6. Here we see that let us find the product of the following. Here the algebraic expressions are given and we have to find the product of those algebraic expressions. Here the monomials are given. Monomials means, in this case, these are all monomials. Since one term is present in an algebraic expression, then the expression is called monomial. Here a single term is present, minus 2x. So this algebraic expression is called monomial. Here a single term is present in the algebraic expression, so it is called monomial. All these are monomials. All these are monomials. We have to find the product of these monomials. See that question, problem number 3 of 1. The product of minus 2x and minus 3x square is minus 2x into minus 3x square. At first, we will multiply the numerical coefficients of these monomials. Minus into minus is equal to that plus, and 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Then the variables x and x square will be multiplied. That is equal to minus 2 into minus 3. These are numerical coefficients. We first multiply these two numerical coefficients. Then the variables x and x square will be multiplied. See that x into x square, in the properties of index, we see that if we multiply x into x square, then their indices should be added. In the case of multiplication of two variables, two same variables, their indices must be added. Here x into x square means x to the power 1. Here the power is 1. X to the power 1 plus 2. Here the power is 2. So these indices should be added. These indices should be added. That is, these powers should be added. Then we get minus into minus is equal to plus, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and x to the power 1 plus 2 is equal to x cube. The product of 2a square b and 3ab square is equal to 2a square b into 3ab square equal to 2 into 3. The numerical coefficient should be multiplied first, then a square into a. These are similar variables, a square into a. We should multiply a square into a and get a to the power 2 plus 1. In a similar manner, we shall get b into b square equal to b to the power 1 plus 2 equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6, a cube, b cube. Therefore, the required product is 6a cube, b cube. Next, let us do ourselves 6.7. 1. 4 of 1. xyz into x square y minus y square x plus z square y. In this case, this is a monomial, but this is a polynomial. Here the terms are not 1. There are 3 terms in this algebraic expression. So it is a polynomial, not a monomial. This is a monomial. Here a single term is present, so it is monomial. But in this expression there are 3 terms, so it is not a monomial but a polynomial. After multiplication we shall get xyz into x square y, that is x to the power 1 plus 2 into y to the power 1 plus 1 into z. The variable z is present. here minus xyz into y square x, that is the value is x to the power 1 plus 1 into y to the power 1 plus 2 into z plus xyz into z square y, that is equal to x into y to the power 1 plus 1 and z to the power 1 plus 2, z to the power 1 plus 2. That is the value is x cube y square into z minus x square y cube into z plus ax y square into z cube. Therefore, the required product is this. Next, problem 5. 0 into AB plus BC minus CA equal to 0. If we multiply any number with 0, we shall get 0. If we multiply any number with 0, we shall get 0. Therefore, the required product is 0. Next, 3 of 2. 2x minus 6x into 5 minus 8x minus 3y. We have to find the simplified value of this expression. We have to find the simplified value of this expression. Equal to 2x minus 6x into 5 minus 6x into minus 8x minus 6x into minus 3y. See that we put a bracket, first bracket for minus 3y, since the sign is negative, so we must put a first bracket for this expression, for this term. Equal to 2x minus 6 into 5, that is 30x, minus into minus is equal to plus, 6 into 8 equal to 48, x into x equal to x square, minus into minus equal to plus, 6 into 3 equal to 18 xy, equal to 48x square plus 18xy. 2x minus 30x are similar terms, so after simplification we shall get minus 28x. Therefore, the simplified value is 48x square plus 18xy minus 28x. In the case of simplified value, we will write the expression in a way where the indices are in descending order, means x square, that is the power is 2, x to the power 1, that is the power is 1, here x to the power 1, that is the power is 1. Therefore, in descending order of the variable, of the indices of the variable, we shall write x square, then x, then constant. Here no constant is present, so we shall write in this order, in the descending order of the indices, descending order. Next, let us do ourselves 6.8. Here we have to multiply the polynomials, not those are monomials, those are polynomials. This is a polynomial, since here 2 terms is present, here also 2 terms is present, so these are not monomials, they are polynomials. Then after multiplication we shall get 11 into 8 minus 2y plus 2x into 8 minus 2y equal to 11 into 8 equal to 88 minus 11 into 2 equal to 22y plus 2 into 8 equal to 16 into x plus minus equal to minus 2 into 2 equal to 4 xy. Therefore, the required product is 88 minus 22y plus 16x minus 4xy. Here the product is 2a square by 9 minus 1 by 7 into 3a by 5 minus 2 by 5 equal to 2a square by 9 into this 3a by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 7 into 3a by 5 minus 2 by 5 equal to 2a square by 9 into 3a by 5 minus, that is this minus, into 2a square by 9 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 7 into 3a by 5 minus into minus equal to plus 1 by 7 into 2 by 5. Here 3 and 9, after simplification we shall get 2a cube by 15 minus 4a square by 45 minus 3a by 35 plus 2 by 35. Here see that the indices are written in descending order. We rewrite the expression, or we shall write the expression in a manner that the indices of the variables are in descending order. Here the index is 3, here the index is 2, here the index is 1, and here a is not present, that is a constant term, and the index is 0. Since a is not present in this expression, in this term, therefore the index of a is 0. That is, this is written in descending order of indices of the variable a, in descending order of the indices of the variable a, cube অর্থাৎ 3, 2, 1, 0. Therefore the required product is this. Here some important things are given. 0 into x equal to 0 equal to x into 0. If we multiply 0 with any number, then we shall get 0. If multiply any number with 0, we shall get 0. 0 divided by x equal to 0, but x divided by 0 is undefined. See that x divided by 0 is undefined. That is, in the case of a division, the quotient must not be 0. The quotient, this is called quotient. The quotient must not be 0. 0 divided by x equal to 0, but x divided by 0 is undefined. Therefore I complete this class here. Stay home, stay safe.